Hi, I am Atanu. In this tutorial video, we learn the conversion from the irrational number to decimal number. This is part of the class 9 chapter 1 mathematics, the number system. Okay, we have already learned about the irrational number. Irrational number are those numbers that cannot be represented by p by q form, right? So for example, we consider root 2, root 3, root 7, pi, and so on. These all are the irrational number because we cannot convert into the rational numbers. That means p by q form. Why it is not possible? Uh, because if we just want to get the root 2 value, then what value we get? So root 2 is equal to 1.4142135 and so on. So we never get the remainder as 0. So it is non-terminating decimal number and also non-recurring, means non-repeating. So after decimal there is no repetition of the number. You check it, there is no repetition. So this kind of the decimal number we cannot represent as the p by q form, because whatever we learned the previous video, that if it is repeating non-terminating decimal also, then we can convert it into the p by q form. Means it is also the we can say this kind of the number where the repeating happen, although it is non-terminating, then it is the rational number. But here what is happening? No repetition, and also there is no termination of the number. Okay, clear? So this number is called the uh, irrational number, correct? So these are the irrational number. Okay, and when we convert into the decimal, we get this. So this is the irrational number. Irrational number. Clear? Now how we can get this number? So means it is the square root of some number. Okay, so we try this here. Let's take example of root 3. Okay, so we have to find out the decimal value of root 3. Okay, decimal form of the root 3. Okay, this is the question. And then what we have to do? We just do the division method of the square root. Okay, what is that? To consider 3 here, consider 3. Okay, and then do the division, but here it is not the normal division, it's the square division method. Okay, so every time we just take, if we take 1, we multiply 1 into 1, that is means we have to follow this table: 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, this table. 1 square is 1, 2 to 4, 3 3 9, this table you have to follow and continue. Clear? So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, so it's exceed 3, so we consider 1. Okay, clear? So then it is 2, and every time so first you can arrange it as how many numbers you after decimal you need, you just put double 0. Okay, so suppose you need 1 2 3, after decimal 3 digit is required, you first you put the 6 0. Then what you have to do? Every time you just drop the 2 0 here. Clear? And next what you have to do? You just multiply this. This is a minus. Multiply this here with 2. I mean, multiply this 1. What is quotient you get? You multiply into 2, you get 2. Clear? Then put the decimal, because you cross this decimal. Then 200. So what you have to do? you have to find out here, you have to find out such number uh, so that you multiply with that number, for example you just consider box here and same box you just consider here, whatever after multiplication whatever value you get you put here. Okay, so what it will be, so let 20 you considered, so 8 to the 16, so if you consider 8 then you multiply with 8 also, correct? This box, consider this box, clear? This box, then what value you will get, 22. Okay. So 224 is exceed the 200, so we have to consider the previous digit, so it will be 7. After multiply with the 7 we get what, 27 into 7, 189, so it will be 189. Clear? Is it clear? So what will be the remainder, and you transfer the 7 here as a quotient, you transfer 7. Clear? So 1, so 1 1, then you just drop another 20 from here, another 20 from here. Okay, this is completed, another 20 here. Then again you have to do what, you have to multiply this entire value with 2, get what, 54. Clear? We get the 54. No, 54 no, 34. 34. Clear? Then again you have to choose such number so that it will be less than 1100. So 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12, so it could not be 4. So if we multiply 3, again you consider box and same value you put here also, okay. So sorry, that is 3 4 3 4, and you consider 3 here, what value you get, 1029. Okay, 1029, so put 1029 here, it will be 3, and you transfer 3 here, correct? Then what is remainder? Remainder is 71. Again you drop that 00, again you multiply this. Okay, multiply this into 2, you get 346. Okay, so next you check it, if it is 6 then it is nearest to the 7, so better we consider previous value. Okay, so 3 4, again you just consider box, and this box value also here and multiply it. So I consider here what, 2. Okay, uh, 6, correct? 6 6924, 6924, 6924. Okay, 176. So if you want to continue more decimal, then transfer this 2 here. So these 2 you transfer here. Okay, also, and it will continue. If you again you drop 00, it will continue, correct? Because this is the non-terminating, non-recurring, means no repetition happening here. So ultimately what value we get? Root 3 is equal to, you can say that 1.732. Okay, and it's continue. This is the decimal form of the irrational number. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you.